Welcome back to day 4. Today, I just wanted to sit down and appreciate something simple, my space. Because listen, I've grown to love being at home. There used to be a time when I felt like I had to be out and about, hanging with people and always on the go. Now, I'm good right here with my coffee, my laptop, and some peace and quiet. My home has become my safe space. It's where I work, where I rest, where I think, cry, laugh, and reset. It's where I can show up exactly as I am, bonnet on, no makeup, blasting music 1 minute and sitting in total silence next. Today, I've spent some time cleaning up, decluttering, and just refreshing my energy. Because I've learned that when my space is cluttered, my mind usually is too. It's wild how cleaning a counter can feel like therapy sometimes. And you know what else? I don't invite a lot of people over anymore. Or really, I never really have. It's not because I don't love folks, but because this is my space, my peaceful area. I've worked too hard to build an environment that feels calm, and I can't have negative energy walking in here like pays rent. I protect my space, physically and emotionally. I light my candles, I play my music, open the blinds, and just breathe. I've realized how sacred it is to have a place that feels like peace, especially in a world that constantly is loud and demanding. The peace I feel here doesn't happen overnight. It came from setting boundaries, learning when to say no, and realizing I don't owe anyone anything else or any access to me or my home. I've created a space that feels like rest, not stress. And that's sometimes all I need. My space has seen me grow, fall apart, get back up, and reinvent myself. It's my reminder that I don't need to escape my life to feel peace. I can build it anywhere, right from where I am. So today, I'm thankful for my space, for the comfort, the calm, and the safety it gives me every single day. Because when my space feels good, I feel good, mind, body, and soul.